All right, sixth grade. I know we meet live now via Zoom on Mondays, but I just wanted to make a video just in case you are not able to join the Zoom during that time. But make sure in the future you are. That is how you will be marked present for the week. Okay, as far as attendance, remember our time slot is on the purple days, and first hour will be from 8:25 to 9:20. Okay, we will have Zoom during that time, live meetings where you can ask questions. I will explain assignments for the week, and then you will go about your business and handling that on your own for the remainder of the week. Okay, I know the schedule is different. Contact me if you're confused about when we meet and when you are available to ask questions during office hours or any other time during that. I will do my best to respond to you as quick as possible because I know you guys have busy lives. I know you want to get the work done as well. Okay, but I made a short video just in case we weren't able to log in, or just in case you did not understand something during the Zoom, you can go back and watch this video to understand how to complete this week's assignment. Okay, you will have the entire week to work on this particular assignment. It is Monday through Thursday. Make sure we get that done by Thursday. The official time slot for when it'll be late will be Sunday. But if you want to enjoy your weekend, make sure we get it done by this Thursday. It is called the First Thanksgiving Scavenger Hunt. You're going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, here's just further instructions. If you didn't understand the Zoom or you do not understand how to do it from this video, please read these directions that help you complete the assignments. You're going to go ahead and open it up with Cami. Okay, here is the web quest you need to complete. It is called First Thanksgiving Scavenger Hunt. As we move on to finish this week and on to Thanksgiving break, okay, we're going to learn about the history of it, different traditions, similar to how we did with Halloween, but we're moving on to Thanksgiving. I think this one will be a little more easy to navigate, and I will explain why here in a second. Here is the link you need to click on. Okay, here's where you'll find all of the information on how to answer all of the questions below. Remember, you have the entire week, okay, to complete this assignment. Spread it out throughout a couple days. Do a couple pages Monday, do a page Tuesday, come back, work on it Wednesday, and submit it by Thursday. All right? So you're going to take this link right here, go ahead and copy, open up a new tab, and paste. Okay, it will take you to the web quest you need to complete. Okay, going back to Schoology, Cami, you will look at the home page. How many months did the pilgrims spend at sea is the first question I need to answer. No, you do not need to answer it in complete sentence unless it tells you to do so. So that's the first question I am looking for. How many months did the pilgrims spend at sea? Okay, you will look for it on the home page here. Okay, here it is. They spent 2 months at sea to reach a strange new world. You will go back. Oops, sorry, I keep clicking on the wrong thing. You will type in 2 months. And there we go. There's your first answer. Okay, now for the second part. Whatever is big in print in black will tell you the part you need to go to for those particular set of questions. Okay, so for these 8 questions right here, you will need to go to part 1 titled The Mayflower. So you go back to your other website. Here is part 1. It is titled The Mayflower, just as it has on your assignments. You will click on that Mayflower. It will take you to a different page. Okay. You will use that page. It might ask you to take the journey. It might ask you to tour the ship. Some of your answers might be right here on the home page of that particular section. In order to answer these questions for part 1, once you get done with part 1, okay, we'll be on 18. You go to part 2, daily life. Daily life, the tab up here for part 2. All of your answers will be on this page, okay? If it asks you a particular question about housing, you need to click on the housing. Okay, and I will make sure this is unblocked for you. Click on clothes. If it asks you for clothes, once again, I will make sure it is unblocked. Let me know if you cannot find it. All right. Going back, you go to part 3. Part 3 talks about the feast, as we see right here. You will go to the feast to find all of your answers. Remember, you might have to view the slideshow. I will make sure it is unblocked when you get there. Okay, once again, let me know if you are having trouble finding those answers, and I will help guide you through. Alrighty, you just go through and you complete the entire Webquest. It is only about 3 different parts. Remember, you do not need to answer in complete sentences over to the right unless it asks you to do so. Okay, 6th grade. Once again, we are meeting live on Monday. Our time slot for first hour is 8:25 a.m. to 9:20. So you get to sleep in a little bit longer than normal. Please reach out. I know it's a difficult time, but we'll get through this together. And I'm always available to answer your questions if you want to succeed. Alrighty, 6th grade. You enjoy your day. You enjoy your week. Please stay tuned for more videos.